Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home. So for today's video, I'm coming to you guys with a headband wig review. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post. Yes. Also, make sure you go ahead and give this video a like before we start. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. And today's headband wig is from Besthairbuy. So I actually just got the hair maybe like 15-20 minutes ago. So this is it's kind of like an unboxing and a first impressions video. Oh guys, I don't got no lip gloss on. Hold on. Okay, now that that's done, we're officially back in business. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got in this box right here. I already busted it open, but I didn't really go through it. So the first thing I see is this bag. There's nothing in the bag, it just says Besthairbuy. So I'm guessing you would put your wig in this bag when you're done. Next is the wig. I'm gonna come back to the wig in a second. So the next thing in the box are these wig caps. It's just in like a tan color. 2 wig caps, so always love getting wig caps for my wigs. And then I wish the noise outside would really stop. So the next thing in the box are these headbands right here. I think I picked, I don't remember what set I picked. I'll put it on this in the video. 6 different headbands. These are really pretty. Like, okay. I like these headbands a lot. These are really cute. Like, they're not like the ones that everybody else sends. Like, they send like the same generic 5 headbands. These are ones that are like really good everyday use. You know, like really good winter, fall, everyday use. Look at these. Hair care and return label if you need to return it for whatever reason. And then you get an extra freebie to Best Hair buyers. It says, now message us on Facebook to get an extra freebie. Now message us on Facebook to get an extra freebie. First come, first serve, while supplies last. Flip over to get it now. And then obviously, well, this is the front of it. And then you would just message Besthairbuy on Facebook. I guess you would just message them the code or the word freebie. Now let's get into the hair. This is it right here. It's in its net. She's long, but she's pretty. Oh, look at this color. Oh, and she's soft. She's really soft. So obviously it's the headband, and then she has darker roots, and then she goes into like this light brown blondish color. Would you consider this color blonde? Tell me down in the comments if you consider this color blonde. I asked for 18 inches, I think. Yeah, she's 18 inches, and I love it. She smells like fresh weave. She doesn't have like a bad smell. She doesn't smell like chemicals or anything. It's just fresh weave. Super cute. I like this a lot, actually. I don't really have too many colored wigs, so I'm happy about this. I'm excited to give her a try. So on the inside for construction, she has 4 combs. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1 at the nape of the neck, 4. And she's, let me see, is she stretched? Yeah, she's got some stretch to her, like on the inside. So if your head's a little bit bigger, you know, she's a good fit. She's really soft. She smells good. She is a pretty color. Her ends look great. They're not dry in any way. There's no like split ends. And I love how it goes like the dark roots to the lighter hair color, so it looks more natural, so it looks like my hair. Okay, so y'all are gonna think I'm crazy for what I'm about to try and do, but let's just see if this works. So I'm just gonna put this in a ponytail for right now. I'm gonna take one of the wig caps that they sent me, put this in a little bunny bun, right? There we go. I'm being real extra right now, but I need to get this video out by a certain time, and I gotta get this video out by like today, to be honest. So whenever you see this video, just know I'll put in work to get this video out for you guys, okay? Now that I have flattened this hair right here, so I'm just gonna take the wig from Besthairbuy right here, run my fingers through it. There's no shedding, just letting y'all know. No shedding. And I'm just going to put this wig on. Actually, put it on and just bring this forward right here. Get my ear out. Hey, there we go. I am an evil genius, to be completely honest. Boom, the hair is on. Okay. She's giving like, right now at this exact moment, I feel like Regina George's mom. Like, I'm not a regular mom, I'm a cool mom. She's so soft and so flowy, like stiff wear. Let's just match with my outfit. Let me do this pink one right here. Double the black headband, like fold it back so that you can't see it, and then put the pink headband on top of it, and then go like that. She's cute. I like this headband with this outfit I have on a lot. Okay, hold on, I gotta take a picture. All right, so I'm gonna do another headband. But I like these headbands a lot, actually. I would use this with my regular hair too. So that's the second headband. This is really cute. And I'm gonna do like a half up, half down type of look with it. If I was going out, I would make sure it's even, but I'm not going out anywhere. So I'm just gonna take this, my little scrunchie, and we're gonna do this 3 times since it's not that big a piece. This is cute. She's so cute. Actually, this is really cute. I'm really feeling it. Are y'all feeling this? One more look, one more headband. Let's do this yellow, like this mustard color. I really like this one. And you see how easy and fast I can switch these styles out? Love me a headband wig for that. And I want to do like a messy bun if I can. I don't know if I have enough scrunchies. So, got it up into a high ponytail, and I'm going to turn it into a bun. And I'm just going to pin it right here. And there we go. We got ourselves a cute little messy bun. This is so cute, actually. This is really good for like staying in the house. Like if you have company but you don't got time to do your hair, get you a headband wig, put it up in a cute messy bun, get your headband, and you're set. Like, you're honestly set. I did 3 hairstyles in less than 20 minutes, I believe, because yeah, it's only been 14 minutes since I've been recording this entire video. And yeah, so I did 3 hairstyles in less than 20 minutes. So you can really you could do a lot with a headband wig, a really good headband wig. So I'm not sure if I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but this is a 1B/30 ombre straight human hair wig in 18 inches. Not really sure if I mentioned that, so I want to just make sure I put it in the video somewhere. I will list all the wig details down below, where you can get the hair, what kind of hair this is, the color, all that good stuff will be down in the description box below. Ooh, my bun is falling apart. So I'm going to list all of that down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a big old thumbs up. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah.